A middle internode piece of sugarcane cannot serve as a vegetative propagule. A sexual reproduction involves only one parent, either paternal or maternal involves. Mode of vegetative reproduction in ginger is rhizome. Middle layers of microsporangia are present between epidermis and tapetum. Male gamete in angiosperms are formed by the division of generative cells. Self pollination means the transfer of pollen from anthers to stigma in the same flower. Interstitial cells secrete hormones called androgens. Accessory glands of male reproductive system are prostate, Cowper's glands, and Semini vesicles. Testosterone is produced by Leydig cells. Role of Leydig cells of testis is synthesize testosterone hormone. Amniogenesis is based on chromosomal pattern, amount of amniotic fluid, and composition of amniotic fluid. In pills, which hormone is given? Progesterone and estrogen. The birth control devices used by women are copper T. Saheli is the latest method of contraception introduced by NDRI Lucknow. Is non-steroidal pill. Emergency contraceptives are effective if used within 72 hours of coitus. An organism with two identical alleles is homozygous. Gene is the unit of inheritance. Mendel work rediscovered by De Vries, Correns, von Schumacher, and all. Codominance. When both alleles express their effect on being present together, the phenomenon is called a codominance. In incomplete dominance, the ratio of genotypic and phenotypic ratios are same. Egg, embryo sac, nucellus, integument are the correct sequence part in an ovule. Chromosome consists of a repeated unit of structure in nucleus called chromatin. How far in each base pair from the next one in DNA double helix model is 0.34 nm. A is equal T and G is equal C. The given relationship on DNA is Chargaff's rule. UTRs are the untranslated regions present on mRNA. Oxygen was not found in free from during origin of life. Phenomena of industrial melanism demonstrates natural selection. Reproductive isolation is most important for speciation. Analogous organs are wings of bird and bat and butterfly. The Montreal Protocol refers to substances that deplete the ozone layer. Microorganisms that grow in milk and convert it to curd is commonly called lactic acid bacteria. Cyclic and non-cyclic phosphorylation takes place in photosynthesis. Tendons connect muscle to bone. Organ of Jacobson in amphibian is for smell. The flower is the site of sexual reproduction. Pedigree chart is used to identify genetic disorders. Synthesis of ATP in mitochondria takes place at the cristae. From style and stigma of crocus plant, saffron is produced. Mango is included in order sapindales. Sulfur deficiency may cause leaf tip bending. Transcription depends upon the absorption of water. Botanical name of lady's finger is Abelmuscus esculentus. Typhoid bacteria enters first in small intestine. Malaria is protozoan disease. Placentational antibodies are Ig and G. Sequence of development of an embryo in dicot seeds is zygote, proembryo, heart-shaped, globular, mature embryo. Aspergillus niger, Aspergillus niger produce butyric acid. Sewage treatment where decomposers bacteria are recycled into starting process. Activated sludge treatment. BOD of wastewater is estimated by measuring the amount of oxygen consumption. Porphyra is not considered as microorganisms. Lactic acid bacteria are acid intolerant. Saccharomyces is not a lactic acid producing bacteria. Probiotics are gut friendly live bacteria. Lactobacillus bacteria do not retain crystal violet stain while staining because they have a very thin peptidoglycan layer in their cell wall. Hemophilia is a dominant disease. Ravi is having color blindness and is married to Roja, who is normal. What is the chance that their son will have the disease? Chances are 0%.